Yo, what's going on guys? It's your boy Magus and today I bring you a brand new vlog. And for today's vlog is I'm gonna show you how I edit our vlogs on YouTube. And if you feel so excited right now, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe down below and click the bell notification so that you will be notified whenever we upload new videos. So, what we're waiting for, let's get in the vlog in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, as you can see, I have here a laptop. Then, my app that I use during editing is this Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's click that thing. So it says Adobe Creative Cloud Premiere Pro CC. So let's create a new project. So let's type, for example, YouTube. And then enter the mouse and import. Okay. YouTube. There. So first thing that I export is this intro. Okay, so this is my intro. Okay. Okay, so next I'm gonna drag this intro here in the right lower portion. Then let's cut first this thing because this part has no audio. So let's cut it. Okay. And remove that thing. Next, I put a text, that vlog thingy. Okay. For example, vlog 001. There. Let's go to effects and let's change the fonts. So my font is Showcard Gothic, like that. And let's align it there, like that. There. Okay. And lastly, the effects, the sound effects. Import again, sound effects, swoosh. Where's the swoosh? Okay, there. Oh, I almost forgot the zoom out effect at the last part. Here. Play. Alright, so my intro is done. Next, inside of the vlog, for example, this thing. Okay, this is the video on my last vlog. So that's my 15th vlog on YouTube. So let's cut the thing. So I edit my vlog like it can't be completed if my vlog don't have any music, sound effect, cuts, and a little bit of zoom and video effects. So I just drag this thing, this audio thing here, and put it there. And then I just lower this sound because it's so loud, so my voice can be heard clearly. So my first thing that I do is to cut all that I wanna cut in this video. Okay, so I'm done cutting all scenes that I wanna cut in this video. Next, if I wanna zoom in that, I just go to effects control and I just cut it first at the end. I wanna zoom in or zoom out this thing or this part only. Okay, so I just adjust this position thing like that and it looks like this. Found this thing there in my eyes. Okay, next I want to zoom in this thing, and I advise to you guys to zoom in or zoom out a scene in your vlog. Just zoom in the important things that you want to show to your audience so that they can understand you more. Okay, so all I want to zoom in and to zoom out is done. Next is is, of course, the sound effects. So remember, always cuts. Second, if you want to zoom in or zoom out, the important thing that you want to share with your audience, of course, the music, and then video effects and sound effects. Okay, so I think we're gonna put here a suspense here, my like that, so it looks like and it sounds like this. And I found this thing. Nice. I think it's good. Do you think? So after I'm done editing my intro, and then of course the climax or the inside of the vlog, next of course the outro. So this is my outro, and I used this music. So I'm gonna drag again this track and drag here in my outro video like that. Okay, so it looks like weird because it is so early to end that vlog, so it's just example. Okay, so this is my final outro. So it's so simple. I just line up all this outro track and the outro video. So after I finish editing our whole vlog, is of course exporting it, and that's so exciting. So just click this file and then export. I just click this video, and then frame rate I use 60, and then profile high, level 4.2, and then the bitrate encoding CBR, and target bitrate or the Mbps is 62.5. And always click this use maximum render quality, so it will render your vlog. Then of course the audio is this audio format. I always choose AAC. I don't know why, but of course exporting, so it's so fast because it's only 540 MB. Alright, so 100%. So let's check our final product. Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, play. Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Magus, and I just woke up and I found this thing. Nice. As you can see, my left eye is a bit smaller than my right eye, and it won't bother me. Lastly, I woke up and I found again a pimple in my face. And yeah, for today's vlog is I'm gonna show you my morning routine vlog for you guys. But before we start this vlog, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe down below, and click the bell notification so that you will be notified whenever we upload new videos. So, what we are waiting for, let's get in the vlog in 3, 2, 1. Alright. So I think it's done. Right, let's just save this. There. Alright guys, I hope you really did enjoy my vlog. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe down below, and click the bell notification so that you will be notified whenever we upload new videos. And for special shoutouts, and by the way, shoutout to Grandma Bebs. Shoutout to you. Hopefully, we're gonna see you on our next vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.